Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing my August and September pop in a box. I'm pretty sure, let me double check. August, September, yes. So my August is this one and my September is this one. I am really super excited. I was waiting for my September one here and I was like, you know what? I haven't done my August one. I might as well do them together like I did with my June and July ones, I think it was. If you haven't seen that one, I will leave it linked up in the cards. Still don't know what section. I think it's this side. Or if not, I will leave my Disney playlist down in the description box below. If you have never heard of Pop in a Box, it is a monthly subscription service of, obviously, Funko Pops. And you can get anywhere between 1, 3, 6, 12, I think maybe 24, I could be wrong. I will leave the link to save yourself some coin if you wanted to sign up down in the description box below, as well as I pay $14.95, that includes shipping, I'm pretty sure, per pop, which I think is pretty reasonable, especially for me. I'm in Canada and some of these pops that I get, I can't get anywhere else, so I think that's really cool. I am gonna get started with my August one, which will be this one. I have crossed out my address and what it is on the inside, so I don't know. I don't even think I've cut the tape on these bad boys, so I have not looked at all. And I will give you guys, of course, the first look. Oh, they stick labels all over this one. Jeez. All right, okay, I'm gonna open it up. You guys have the first look. What do we have? What do we have? What is this? Oh my god, what are the odds? Look what I'm wearing. Oh my god, before I show the pop, look at this. Made in the 90, Woody. And look who I freaking got. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, it's Buzz dressed as Mrs. Nesbitt. Oh my god, this is so cute. Even the arm is off with the little teapot. I will definitely give you guys a close-up in a second, but like, oh my god, this is great. I can now start this collection. That is so cool. So those are all the ones there. You have Woody, Buzz, Little Bo Peep, right? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I would want the whole collection, as bad as that sounds. I'm pretty selective when I come to my pops, and this definitely was one that I did thumbs up, I have to say that. But like, I don't know, and like, don't hate me, but like, I don't really know if I would want Ham or Rex or Wheezy or Bullseye. Like, I really do like Bullseye, but I really want Bo Peep, Slinky Dog, Woody, as well as Buzz Lightyear. And obviously I needed this one. So I don't know, maybe I will collect the whole collection, but I'm not too sure. Box is in pretty good condition. There is a little bit of like, I think, water damage or something on here, but that's okay. There's no really big dents or anything. There is just like a little nick. Don't know if you can see that right there, but honestly, mine just sit on the shelf like these guys up here. So for me, it's really no issue, and I'm not like a big collector. So first pop for August was amazing. Thank you so much, Pop in a Box. And now we'll move on to September's. I'm like, where did I put my thing? Again, I have not cut these open. Can you guys give me a guess of who it's going to be? I'm not too sure. Every month is like different, man. That's why I love it so much. I will go quickly over about the company. You go through their entire website. They have over 7,000 pops. You thumbs up, thumbs down, ones that you want, ones that you don't want. You can also put like a little trophy emoji, and those show that you have them already in your collection. And then what they do is all the ones that you thumbs down get blacklisted, and they go over into the section where they do not take any from. And then you kind of, everything that you've thumbs up goes into like a cart. And then they can send you each month, obviously, the ones that you've liked. Every single pop, I think except for one, I have thumbs up. I think what happened is I thumbs it up and then I went back and changed it, and they sent me that one already. So that's no biggie. That's not on them. That's on me. So definitely go through, pick what ones you want. It's honestly amazing. I think I'm in like month 6, 7 already. And honestly, I'm so happy. So I'm going to try and open these. I hate opening these. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the first look. Who do we have? Who do we have? Oh my god, it's Pinocchio. When I looked at this, I was like, what? Oh my god, it's a Pop in a Box exclusive. Oh my god, I'm so excited. my god, this is amazing. It has Jiminy Cricket on his nose and his nose is growing. And there's only 2 in this collection. On the back here, there's only the 2 of them. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this so much. Oh my god. So again, Pinocchio and Jiminy Cricket, and this is the one that we got on his nose. Again, this is a Pop in a Box exclusive. Honestly, I am so happy with this. This is so amazing. I want to take it out of the box to show you guys, but like I am one of those people where I leave everything in a box. This is pretty good, except there is, you can see right there, I think, a little bit of a denting issue, but other than that, I think this box is in pristine condition. It's great. Oh my god, I don't even remember like thumbsing this up. I probably, like obviously I did, but I also had the Disney subscription. By the way, I probably should have mentioned that when you sign on Pop in a Box, there's like Marvel, I think there's Harry Potter, Disney, there's a bunch of different subscriptions. I am to the Disney one, but they can also, obviously if I thumbs up a Marvel, they will send me a Marvel. But that's my generic one, is the Disney. And I love this. Oh my god, thank you so much. So these are my 2 pops that I got for August and the month of September. I honestly cannot wait till October, and November is my birthday month, so maybe they'll do something special. Honestly, thank you so much for Pop in a Box for sending me these. I am so over the moon with these. I can't wait to put these on my little shelves and add to my collection. So if you guys did want to sign up for Pop in a Box, again, the link will be in the description box below. That'll also save you some money off your subscriptions or off of anything you do in the store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in another video. Bye!